Welcome to our channel, where we journey into the world of personalized elegance. Today, we will explore a realm where style meets sentiment, where each piece of jewelry tells a unique story. We invite you to join us as we delve into the enchanting world of Caitlyn Minimalist on Etsy. A realm of artistry, creativity, and personal expression awaits. To buy your own piece of personalized jewelry from Caitlyn Minimalist, check out the link in the description below. Let's begin our journey. Personalized jewelry, the epitome of style and sentiment. In a world where mass production often drowns out individuality, uniquely tailored pieces truly shine. They not only make a fashion statement, but also represent an intimate expression of one's identity. Today, we turn the spotlight on a recent sensation that's been capturing hearts and gracing necklines across the globe: the Caitlyn Minimalist Etsy. In the bustling digital marketplace of Etsy, one name stands out for its stellar reputation and commitment to quality: Caitlyn Minimalist. This seller crafts personalized name necklaces, meticulously handcrafted from solid sterling silver. These necklaces are not just mere accessories, they are wearable art pieces, available in sterling silver, 18-karat gold, and rose gold finishes. Customers have the freedom to choose from various font options, making each piece as unique as the person who wears it. The necklace length can be customized, and it even comes with a 1-inch extension chain for fine-tuning the fit. But what truly sets Caitlyn Minimalist apart is their exceptional customer service. They not only accept returns and exchanges, but also offer Etsy purchase protection for eligible purchases. In the world of online shopping, such assurances are a breath of fresh air. It's worth noting that the turnaround time for crafting these personalized treasures is between 6 to 10 business days. However, for those in a hurry, rush orders and expedited shipping options are also available. Caitlyn Minimalist doesn't stop at names. They offer customization options for handwriting, drawings, and fingerprints, transforming personal mementos into timeless jewelry. They even provide tips and guidelines for sending images for customization, ensuring that every detail is just right. To cap it all off, each jewelry piece comes with a 90-day quality guarantee, a testament to the commitment to craftsmanship and quality. As the camera pans over the gleaming array of personalized pieces, the voiceover continues. Your creativity is the limit with Caitlyn Minimalist. Every intricate detail, every design, every piece is a reflection of you. Unleash the artist within you and create something truly unique. And remember, each piece is not just a piece of jewelry, but a story waiting to be told. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own personalized jewelry from Caitlyn Minimalist on Etsy. Your perfect piece is just a click away. In summary, Caitlyn Minimalist is redefining personalized jewelry with their unique blend of craftsmanship, customer service, and personalization options. They've truly created a niche for themselves in the vast Etsy marketplace. Whether you're looking for a special gift or a treat for yourself, a piece from Caitlyn Minimalist is more than just jewelry. It's a personal statement, a piece of art, and a memory to cherish.